Here's a serrated knife made by SOG, and you can see it is quite dull. Take the serrated edge and you roll it in the middle. You get one side in, the back on the return, and it gets right on down in between. Take your knife, your serrated knife, as sharp as can be. How sharp the teeth got? Yeah. It really works, don't it? Yeah. Now on the smooth edge, squeeze it in there tight, bring the back of the blade up. The rods are made to flex so they follow the original edge, taking very little to no steel off, yet a good knife, a good made knife will go razor sharp. What I mean? Yeah. I'm dropping these down in the show today, $20 each, 2 for $30.
I'll take one.
Alright.
It's on the back end. You gotta finish it down at the hill.